Hi, in this video, let me show you how to change the maintenance box, how to replace it on your Epson EcoTank ET-2803 printer. So the maintenance box, usually it will give you a message on the display telling you that you need to replace it, is located on the right side corner, on the back, right over here. We will need a Phillips head screwdriver like this one because it has a small screw holding everything. Step number one is to unscrew the screw. Okay, perfect. Now to open this panel, you're going to stick your nails or maybe a knife or flathead screwdriver, not this one, but you get the idea, over here. And you can unclip this part. Then all you have to do is to pull the panel towards the back of the printer. It will slide right off. So the maintenance box is right in front of you at this point. Next, you're going to take again your screwdriver. There is a screw that we need to remove. And now we can finally slide this out. And this is where all your excess ink will be thrown by the printer. And if you do many print head cleaning, this will use a lot of ink, and all of the ink, well, it goes over here and the maintenance box gets filled up. Now I'll put links towards Amazon if you want to get a replacement one. So check my links I have put in the description. Take your new maintenance box, slide it back with the small gap over here so we can put back the screw, and then slide the cover this way. Oops. Okay, perfect. And put back the rear screw as well. So this is about it. I hope my tutorial was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe. Again, check my Amazon links if you want to get a replacement one, and I'll see you in the next one.